Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 2a and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and I hope that you can see those green lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work. So basically they should disappear after resetting. So all we have to do is to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on More Settings at the bottom. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on Reset All Settings and tap on Reset. Nothing happened, but let's go back and check. As you can see, the green lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.